Hey everybody, my name is Nate Wheeldrayer. I'm with Valley RV Supercenter. Today I wanted to show you the 2026 Jayco Jay Flight 170BHW. Do a little walk around here. It's gonna be very small and compact. Got your 30 amp electric service here. All of your holding tanks. Now we go in the 21 foot, less than 3,000 pound travel trailer here. Got your AC mounted on the wall, queen size bed here. Have our kitchen, nice window so you can look out, enjoy the view while you're cooking. Your dinette here turns into a sleeping space. The bunks into the bathroom. It's got everything you need for your camping trips. Refrigerator. Small freezer space on the top. With your microwave up here. This is your best option in the Jay Flight series for small, compact with a little bit of everything. Again, my name is Nate Wheeldrayer with the Valley RV Supercenter. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can contact me at 253-737-2082.